Welcome. If you want instant access to your Dropbox files without digging through apps, adding a Dropbox widget to your Android home screen is the perfect solution. In this updated guide, I'll walk you through the quickest and easiest way to set it up, so your files are just a tap away. Let's get right into it. First, unlock your Android phone and navigate to your home screen. Now, find an empty space. This is where your Dropbox widget will live. To start, simply long press on your home screen. Wait for a few seconds until you see the icon start to move or a menu pops up. A set of options will appear at the bottom or on the side, depending on your device. Look for the one labeled Widgets, then tap on it. Once you're inside the Widgets menu, you'll be presented with lots of options from different apps. Scroll carefully through the list until you spot Dropbox. If you have many apps, you might want to use the search bar at the top for quicker access. When you find the Dropbox widget, tap and hold it. Not just a light tap, but hold your finger down. While you're still holding the widget, your home screen will reappear. Keep your finger pressed and drag the widget to the desired location on your screen. Release your finger to drop it. Your phone may ask you to confirm or customize the widget. Here, be sure to tap on Create Shortcut. This will instantly add a Dropbox shortcut widget to your home screen. Now, you'll see the Dropbox icon right on your home screen. Tap it anytime to open your Dropbox app or jump straight to your most important files or folders, depending on how the widget is set up. That's all it takes. In just a few quick steps, you've made accessing Dropbox files faster and easier than ever. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who could use a smarter, more organized home screen. Thanks for watching.